This method can help answer key questions in the neuroscience field about cortical development.
The main advantage of this technique is that the animals do not need to be sedated.
In general, individuals new to this method will struggle because the animals are handled when they are awake and the experimenter must work quickly.
Before beginning the experiment, find an adequate location for the setup. Use a cable drum to supply the setup with line power. And connect the laptop, receiver unit, and analog to digital converter as necessary for the specific telemetry system being used. Place the electrodes, adhesives, cotton swabs, wipes, mixing blocks, sandpaper, and a bracelet on a separate space, and cut and solder the electrodes to as short a length as possible, according to the size of the animal. The cables must be long enough to connect from the recording electrode positions on the animal's head with the telemetric EEG unit for the data transmission. When all of the materials are ready, catch a piglet at the leg or thorax, taking care to be aware of any potential defecation or urination. Mark the piglet with a number as necessary, and wrap the animal in a towel to calm it down. Holding the piglet with one hand at the body or forearm and using the other hand to control the snout, have an assistant clean the animal's skin, using an appropriate tool to remove any dead skin as necessary. Place the recording electrodes at the